Hi, welcome to Touch to Click. Today I'll show you how to tell if you've been blocked on Android Text and explain a simple way to check if someone has blocked your messages. This method works on most Android devices. Now let's get started. Step 1, open the Messages app on your Android phone. This is where all your text conversations are stored. Step 2, find and open the chat of the person you think might have blocked you. This allows you to test message delivery directly to that contact. Step 3, send a message and check the delivery status. If it shows sent or read, you are likely not blocked, but if it fails or shows no status, it may indicate a block. Step 4, go back to your home screen and open the phone app. This lets you test calling the contact directly. Using the phone app ensures you can confirm the block with a call if messages seem undelivered. Step 5, find the contact and place a call. If it goes straight to voicemail or rings, once then disconnects, it's a strong sign you've been blocked. This final step gives a clear confirmation that your number is likely blocked. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Android tips and tutorials.